Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi friends. August. Once upon a time, a trader was coming back home late at night. Suddenly, he saw an old poor black man preparing to spend the night next to a wall. No one accepted him into their houses, fearing that their children would be scared of him. The trader decided to help him. He took him into his house, offered him hot soup, gave him clean cloths and a room to stay. In the middle of the night, the old man sleeping near the window suddenly woke up with a noise. He saw that two burglars were trying to enter the house through the window. The black man raised his hands and shouted loudly, "What are you doing there?" "A ghost!" screamed the burglars. When they saw the black man in the white pajamas, and they threw themselves from the window, one of them broke his leg and the other injured his head. Because of the noise, the trader and his family woke up and they captured the burglars. How wonderful is the reminder of our Holy Prophet ﷺ. Certainly, Allah helps His servant as long as he helps his brother. I hope you liked the story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.